Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. We're going to be checking this one out called Spidey Floki. I want you guys to stay tuned to the very end of the video because I will be playing the game and it's pretty cool. So let's see what we got right here. We got Spidey Floki. A new hero is born with power and cuteness. Spidey Floki offers joy and happiness to the community. Spidey Floki sets his journey to travel around the world, giving the community a lifetime opportunity for action, a movement to help children in need to make it better. So that's a good cause right there. I'm digging that already. And we got something that's giving us BUSD rewards. So this is the features is as seen on market. So it's been on some pretty big sites, Yahoo Finance, that's huge. So we got BUSD rewards, which you guys know that I'm big on anything that pays you in BNB, BUSD. You're getting real money that you can cash out. So we got get more benefits from holding Spidey Floki tokens by BUSD rewards for every wallet on every hour. So that's pretty awesome. We got 1% charity of every sell transaction will be directed into the charity to support charity foundations for children around the world. We got P to E, so play to earn minigames. Spidey Floki will feature a play to earn Spidey themed minigame with a simple yet nostalgic concept that you can enjoy fully while also earning Spidey xmas as you play. The Xmas gift. Win various Spidey Floki Christmas gifts, prizes varies from token airdrops, cash rewards, gadgets, and many more. Upcoming NFT marketplace dedicated to Spidey Floki design NFTs by combining both elements into the dope design. So this is going to be pretty big, and I like this little roadmap and with the tokenomics up in here as well. I would like to see how much percent. Maybe we'll get to the bottom of that down here with the tokenomics. So we got Meet Billy. So shout out to Billy and the whole team over there. We got Billy is Peter Parker wannabe of Spidey Floki, the CEO of the project, leading a team that is globally located. He believes that the experienced team that prioritizes transparency can bring greater good to the community, in particular at the crypto space. Join Billy and his group of Spidey Craze community to share the joy to the world. So this is pretty cool. We got a Dox dev, and I want you guys to come watch this video for sure and see what's going on with this. So this is pretty cool that we got a dev just got a video out. It's right on the homepage. This is a bullish sign to me, and it shows that they believe in the project enough to show their face. So I really appreciate that. We got meet our other backers. We have a former Liverpool and Barcelona professional football player, Mascherano, is here to fully support Spidey Floki and believes the huge potential for future investors, community, and for the society. Mascherano is part of the Spidey Floki cryptoverse. So shout out to Mascherano. We got a guy that played football. So this is a celebrity right here with us and stuff. So this is good. So we got Dox Dev, another bullish flag right there, And then we got the Spideynomics. So we got the buy is 11% tax. 3% goes to the marketing, 6%, there we go, goes to the BUSD rewards, and 2% goes to the liquidity pool. The sell tax is 16%, 1% goes to the charity, 1% goes to the prize, 5% goes to the marketing, 7% goes to the BUSD, and 2% to the pool. I like these tokenomics. They look pretty lucrative for the holder, actually. You're getting a lot of BUSD on buys and sells. Okay, Spidey Floki documents, complete details of the project from the Spidey paper, audit, and also KYC badge at Pink Sale. So this is very important for us. This is a how to buy video. If you guys need help, leave a comment down below. I'll walk you through the steps, but pretty much a lot of you guys are well versed in this. The channel has taken off, but there's tons of videos that I got. But I'll still help out. Just let me know down in the comments below, and I'll walk you through the steps if this is something that you're interested in. Now to the mini game, because I like that they got this. To me, this is catalyst, and we're gonna check out these other tabs. We got NFT collection, marketplace coming soon. But let's check out this mini game. It's just I like it. I like that we have a game that we can actually participate in right now, and that keeps the community engaged. And for me, that's another bullish flag. That it's not a promise down the road. Yeah, the earning part is something that will be down the road or whatnot, but at least the game is out and it's themed correctly, and even right now to have the Christmas theme. So Let's give it one more go. Let's give it a restart. Let's do better than that. Let's make the Spidey Floki guy swing and look good. So I like that they got the game already set up, even though I'm getting electrocuted back to back. But this is a game that will keep people interactive, you know, engage with the token, and also spreading the word. This is a different way to spread the word, because maybe somebody's not into crypto that much, but they might be into these type of games, and it could be a way for them to be like, hey, well, you're already playing games, why not just play games and earn money at the same time? So, you know, most definitely this is something that I'm looking forward to, especially being a way that you can earn crypto for playing this game. Like right now, this is an awesome game. You guys see me swinging nonstop. It's pretty simple. You know, anybody can play this and basically start appreciating assets, because to be earning crypto right now is absolutely amazing in any shape or form, especially crypto like BUSD, BNB. To be earning anything in that aspect is amazing. So I'm gonna finish the game right now. So like that, there we go. So like that, I don't just keep going to the end and take the high score. But we got leaderboards right there. And you know, this is just something really cool. So we're gonna quit the game. I want to check out this NFT tab. Did not check this out. So let's see what we got right here. Okay, so we got Captain Spidey Floki, Street Spidey. Okay, SY. Okay, I like that. We got a split in half, like Venom. And so the NFTs are looking great, actually. You know, I like these NFTs. They look, you know, they look perfectly themed to what we got going on right now, and another way again to keep people engaged with what they got going on. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing from this project. They got a lot of bullish flags, the dev being Dox, having a big influencer like a football player endorsing the project and stuff like that. Let's check out this roadmap. We got phase 1, concept development, design and graphics, marketing campaign, AMAs, audit, pre-sale, pink sale, mini game beta release. So you guys know I'm big on say what you mean and mean what you say. So this is where we hold them accountable for. We got launch on PancakeSwap, 10,000 Telegram members, 5,000 holders, bigger marketing campaigns listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So we have a very doable roadmap right here that I could. Oh, we got a wallet launching phase 3. This is pretty cool. I would actually like to see dates. You know, the dates would be nice to know, or quarters at least, to kind of have an idea of where that window of completion is at and stuff. And that's just to hold people accountable for stuff. You know, I like to just keep it straightforward, and I can see this team also wants to be transparent. So maybe just adding the dates or the quarters that those things are expected to be done. So like that, people can understand and not ask when this, when Lambo, when that, and when not like that. So you guys know what's up. Come check out Spidey Floki. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time. Later.